Welcome, and congratulations on taking the first step toward working smarter, not harder. You're about to discover how to unlock the power of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, to save hours of your time and potentially create brand new income opportunities. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech expert, coder, or even particularly comfortable with computers to do this. This course was built for everyday people, just like you. Whether you're a busy professional, a freelancer, a content creator, a student, or simply someone curious about what AI can do for you, you're in the right place. Now let's get one thing straight. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's no longer something only used by big companies or computer nerds in Silicon Valley. It's here. It's accessible. And it's already transforming how people work, write, create, plan, sell, and communicate. And the tool that's made all of this possible and wildly popular is ChatGPT. Maybe you've heard the name. Maybe you've tried it. Or maybe this is your very first time hearing about it. Whatever your level of experience, I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can use ChatGPT easily, confidently, and effectively. Whether your goal is to save time, start a side hustle, or grow your career. So what exactly are we going to cover in this course? Here's the roadmap. You'll start by understanding what ChatGPT is and why it's so powerful. We'll explain it in plain language, no jargon, no tech talk. Then, you'll learn how to use it properly. I'll show you how to write what we call prompts. That's the input you give ChatGPT, so you can get accurate, helpful, and impressive results. After that, we'll get practical. You'll see real-life examples of how to save time using ChatGPT, writing emails faster, summarizing documents, planning your day, brainstorming ideas, and more. We'll even do a mini time-saving challenge together. Then, we'll shift gears into how to make money with ChatGPT, even without any experience or products. I'll give you digital business ideas, tools, and ready-to-use prompts to help you launch simple income streams right from your home. But we won't stop there. You'll also get access to templates, worksheets, cheat sheets, and even an ebook full of business ideas. Everything you need to turn this into real results. And here's what you won't find in this course. You won't find complicated tech tutorials. You won't need to download anything risky. And you won't feel lost or confused, because I'm going to guide you, clearly and practically, from start to finish. One more thing. This course is meant to be implemented, not just watched. You'll get the most value if you follow along, try the prompts, and apply them to your life or work. So again, welcome. You're about to tap into one of the most powerful tools of the 21st century. Let's get started and explore just how much time, energy, and potential income you've been missing out on. Until now. Let's dive in.
Let's begin by making one thing clear. This course is for you. Yes, you, if you've ever felt like time is slipping away, or like you could be doing more if only you had the right tools or just a bit of help. You don't need to be an expert in technology to benefit from this course. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to have a business, a brand, or a big idea. What you do need is a sense of curiosity, a desire to save time, and an openness to try something new, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. So who exactly is this course designed for? First, it's for busy professionals. If your day is filled with meetings, emails, and never-ending admin tasks, ChatGPT can become your time-saving ally. You'll learn how to automate repetitive writing, summarize long reports, and even plan your week faster. Next, it's for freelancers, solopreneurs, and creators. You're wearing a dozen hats: marketing, customer service, operations, content creation, you name it. With ChatGPT, you can generate content, improve your proposals, and free up time to focus on high-value work or just take a break. It's also for students and educators. Whether you're preparing assignments, writing academic texts, or organizing your lessons, ChatGPT can help you think clearly, work faster, and even improve your writing skills through guided feedback. Maybe you're not in any of those roles. Maybe you're just curious. That's great too. Because this course is also for curious learners, explorers, parents, retirees, and job seekers. Anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of one of the most exciting tools of our time. And let's not forget, it's for people who want to earn more without having to learn everything from scratch. You might be thinking, but I'm not a writer, or I don't sell anything, or I don't even know where to start. Exactly. That's why this course exists. To show you what's possible, to break down what seems complicated into simple steps you can actually follow, and to open your mind to new possibilities, not just for saving time, but for generating value. Here's the truth. The world is changing fast. AI is not just coming, it's already here. And those who learn how to use it, even just a little, will have a major advantage. So whether your goal is to be more productive, work smarter, create something new, or even just try something interesting, you're in the right place. If you've ever felt like you're doing too much with too little time, if you've wanted to earn extra income but didn't know how, if you've seen people talk about AI and thought, that's not for me, let me assure you it is. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to upgrade how you work. And this course will show you how.
Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to look at the big picture. What exactly will you walk away with by the end of this course? This isn't just about learning a tool. It's about changing the way you work. It's about getting your time back, creating more value in less time, and discovering new ways to make money using something you can access from any device with internet. Right now, by the end of this course, you'll be confident using ChatGPT, not just typing random questions into it, but using it like a true assistant, like a writing partner, like a productivity tool that helps you get more done with less stress. Let me break it down into clear, real-world benefits. First, you'll learn exactly what ChatGPT is, in plain English. No jargon, no confusion. We'll strip it down to its core so you understand what it can and can't do. Second, I'll walk you through how to use it. We'll go step by step, how to open it, how to type into it, how to guide it to give better answers, and how to correct it when it gets off track. You'll become fluent in the one skill that makes ChatGPT useful: writing prompts. Think of prompts as instructions. The better your prompt, the better the output. I'll give you my best formulas and templates, so you don't have to figure it out alone. Third, you'll learn how to save serious time every single week. Whether you spend your days answering emails, creating documents, planning events, writing reports, making presentations, or researching ideas, ChatGPT can help you do it all faster. Not 5% faster, often 50% faster or more. We'll go through practical examples and give you mini challenges to put it into action. Fourth, we'll move from time-saving to money-making. I'll show you exactly how people, just like you, are using ChatGPT to generate income, even without big audiences or complex skills. We'll cover services you can offer, digital products you can create, and tools you can combine with ChatGPT to create something valuable and sellable in just a few hours. You'll get real examples. You'll get step-by-step walkthroughs. And you'll get ready-to-use prompt templates to get started right away. Fifth, we'll go deeper. You'll learn how to use role prompts, telling ChatGPT to act like a coach, marketer, or assistant. You'll see how to improve its responses, format its answers, and even create your own library of go-to prompts you can reuse in your daily workflow. By the end, you'll have a full set of tools, prompts, templates, cheat sheets, and examples to work smarter, communicate better, and take action faster. Even if you've never used AI before, even if you're not good with tech, even if you've never thought of yourself as someone who could launch a product or business, you'll have the knowledge, the tools, and the confidence to try. Because here's the truth: ChatGPT is not about replacing you. It's about amplifying what you already do well and helping you do more of it in less time. And once you've seen what's possible, you'll never want to go back. So are you ready to see what you'll be able to create automate, and launch? Let's get into it.